Hello students, today we will learn polynomials in which we will discuss all algebraic identities with their proofs. Now let us see, these identities are, the first identity that we have to learn is a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now let us see proof of this identity. Take left hand side, a plus b whole square is equal to a plus b multiplied by a plus b. So it becomes a into a plus b plus b into a plus b. That is a square plus ab plus ba plus b square. ba and ab is same. So what we can write, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is the first identity. Now we will learn second identity. Second one is a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now let us see its proof. Take left hand side, a minus b square, that is a minus b into a minus b. This is into, so what we can write, a into a minus b minus b into a minus b. So it becomes a square minus ab minus ba and minus minus plus b square. ab and ba are same. So it becomes a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is second identity. Now third identity. Third identity is a square minus b square is a plus b in one bracket, and in another bracket it is a minus b. A square minus b square. A minus b in one bracket, in other bracket it is a plus b. Now let us see proof. Take right hand side. Take your right hand side. That is a minus b into a plus b. So what it becomes? A into a plus b minus b into a plus b. So what we can write? A into a square plus ab minus ba minus b square. Minus ba and ab cancel out because ab is same as ba. So we will get result a square minus b square. That is the third identity. Now next identity, 4 number, that is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This is the identity. Now let us see proof. Take left hand side, x plus a into x plus b. So what it becomes? That is x into x plus b plus a into x plus b. Multiply these two. It becomes ax square plus bx plus ax plus ab. So x square, ab and bx plus ax. Now here x is common. So what we can write? Plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now this is the fourth identity. Now we'll learn these four identities you have done in class 8. These four identities and application of these numerical problems you have done in class 8. Now still some more identities. They are the additional identities in class 9. So now let us see, we'll learn the next identity, that is number 5. Number 5, a plus b plus c whole square, that is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now let us see the proof of this identity. Take left hand side. Take left hand side. A plus b plus c whole square, and this is same as a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c. So we'll multiply whole square means this into this. So that now multiplied a into it becomes a plus b plus c plus b into a plus b plus c plus c into a plus b plus c. After multiplication, what we will get? A into a plus b plus c plus b into a plus b plus c plus c into a plus b plus c. So it becomes a square plus ab plus ac plus ab plus b square plus bc plus ac plus bc plus c square. Now add it. What you will get? A square plus b square plus c square. AB becomes 2ab. BC becomes 2BC, and CA becomes 2CA. So this is identity number 5. Now let us see the next identity. That is identity number 6. A plus B whole cube. That is A cube plus B cube plus 3AB in bracket A plus B. A cube plus B cube plus 3AB in bracket A plus B. Now let us see the proof of this identity. Take left hand side, A plus B whole cube. So that means what we can write it as? A plus B into A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square. This identity we know. That is the first identity. So we can write it as A plus B. This we can write A square plus 2AB plus B square. A plus B whole square. That is A square plus 2AB plus B square. Now multiply A into A square plus 2AB plus B square plus B into A square plus 2AB plus B square. So what it becomes? A cube plus 2A square B plus AB square plus BA square plus 2AB square plus B cube. Now add it to get the result. A cube plus B cube. This is A cube plus B cube and plus 2A square B, A square B. That is 3A square B plus 2AB square and AB square. That is 3AB square. So learn up to this stage, or you can write it as A cube plus B cube plus 3AB is common. Here 3AB is common. So inside the bracket you will get A plus B. So this is identity number 6. Now let us see next identity. Identity number 7. A minus B whole cube. That is A cube minus B cube minus 3AB in bracket A minus B. Now let us see the proof of this identity. Take left hand side, A minus B whole cube. That is A minus B in another bracket, it is A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square we have done. A minus B whole square. So that is A minus B in bracket A square minus 2AB plus B square. Now multiply A into A square minus 2AB plus B square minus B into A square minus 2AB plus B square. So we will multiply this and we will get the result. Now let us see multiplication. It is A cube minus 2A square B plus AB square minus BA square minus plus 2AB square plus minus B cube. Now simplify A cube minus B cube, 2A square B and A square B with negative sign. So minus 3a square b, and ab square and 2ab square becomes 3ab square. So take common, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab common, minus 3ab common. So here you will get a, and this is minus b. So this is identity number 7. Now we'll learn next. Now next identity, that is number 8. A cube plus b cube, that is a plus b in one bracket. In other bracket it is a square minus ab plus b square. A cube plus b cube, that is a plus b in one bracket. Other bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Now let us see the proof. Take right hand side here. A plus b in one bracket. A square minus ab plus b square. Now multiply it. A into a square minus ab plus b square plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So multiply these two to get the result. So it becomes a cube minus a square b plus ab square plus ba square minus ab square plus b cube. Now simplify it. A cube plus b cube, ab square with negative sign and ab square with positive sign cancel out. Similarly, a square b with negative sign and a square b with positive sign cancel out these two. So what it becomes? A cube plus b cube. So this is the identity. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b. In other bracket it is a square minus ab plus b square. Now we'll discuss identity number 9. Identity number 9 is a cube minus b cube, that is in one bracket it is a minus b, other bracket it is a square plus ab plus b square. So now let us see the proof of this identity. Take right hand side. A minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Now multiply it becomes a into a square plus ab plus b square minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Now multiply it to get the result. A into a square, it becomes a cube plus a into this a square b plus ab square minus ba square minus plus minus ab square and minus b cube. Now a square b, positive and negative cancel out. Next, ab square, one is positive, other is negative, so cancel out. So at last we get a cube minus b cube. So this is identity number 9. Now let us see identity number 10, which is very important. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, that is in one bracket it is a plus b plus c, in other bracket it is a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Now we have to prove it. So again we will take right hand side, we will multiply it to get the result. Take right hand side, that is a plus b plus c, in other bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Now Then we will multiply it to get the result. Multiply one by one. Now let us see. This is a into a square. Now multiply directly. Otherwise, it becomes a into this whole plus b into this whole plus c into this whole. So we multiply one by one. So now first we multiply by a. It becomes a cube plus ab square plus ac square minus a square b minus abc minus ca square. Now we have to multiply it by b. So what it becomes? Plus ba square plus b cube plus bc square minus ab square minus b square c minus abc. Again we multiply by c. So what it becomes? Multiply. So plus ca square plus cb square plus c cube minus abc minus bc square minus c square a. The next step, now we have to simplify it. So that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube. This is a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Now yes, ab square plus and minus cancel out. Similarly, ac square and ac square with negative sign cancel out. bc square positive and negative cancel out. Next, now a square b and a square b positive negative cancel out. Similarly, b square c negative sign and b square c positive sign cancel out. And the last, ca square with negative sign and ca square with positive sign. So these two cancel out. So what we'll get? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus abc minus abc minus abc. So that is, we'll get minus 3abc. So this is very important identity. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, which is same as a plus b plus c in one bracket, other bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Now let us see application of this identity, which is used in numerical problems. So now let us see the application of this identity. In this identity, this much is equal to this much. So now condition is, that is very important, is useful condition. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, if it is a plus b plus c becomes 0. If a plus b plus c becomes 0, what will happen? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc becomes 0 into this much. A plus b plus c, what we have taken? 0. So it becomes 0 into this whole, and 0 into this whole becomes 0. So now it becomes 0. So it implies that what we can say, a cube plus b cube plus c cube is nothing but this is 3abc. So how will you use this application? If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, it implies that a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So this is very important application of this identity. So we have to learn all these 10 identities to solve the numerical problems in factorization. So now the next topic that we have to discuss is factorization by using these algebraic identities. So before this, you must aware all these identities with their proof, and especially this identity is very important in numerical solving. That means application of identity number 10. So if condition will be given a plus b plus c 0, so what we can write directly, a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So Thank you, and we'll meet in next video with factorization.